आज हम करेंगे डीएवी क्लास 7 साइंस चैप्टर 5 हीट के क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो अंत तक वीडियो को देखिएगा। ए फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। 1 हीट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ डैश, आंसर होगा एनर्जी। 2 द रेंज ऑफ क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर इज फ्रॉम डैश डिग्री सेल्सियस टू डैश डिग्री सेल्सियस। इसमें आंसर होगा 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 42 डिग्री सेल्सियस। 3 वाटर इज अ डैश कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट, आंसर होगा बेड। 4 land and sea bridges help to maintain the temperature of air. 5 transfer of heat from the sun to the earth takes place mainly through the process of dash, आंसर होगा radiation. B write true or false for the following statements. 1 heat cannot be produced by doing work, answer false. 2 no gaps are left between the rails of railway tracks, answer false. 3 poor conductors of heat are also good insulators of heat, true. 4 ventilators when provided in room are located near their roofs, answer true. 5 a material medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of radiation, answer false. C tick the correct option. 1 a copper ball at 30 degrees Celsius is put in a container containing water at 30 degrees Celsius. In this case, answer होगा लास्ट ऑप्शन डी, देयर वुड बी नो ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट बिटवीन द कॉपर बॉल एंड वाटर. 2 the reading of the laboratory thermometer in the figure shown here is, answer होगा डी 18 डिग्री सेल्सियस. 3 it is not convenient to use the laboratory thermometer to measure our body temperature. This is so because, answer होगा बी, as the thermometer is taken out from the mouth, the level of mercury in it immediately starts falling. 4 when we hold our hands close to the side of a flame, they get warmed mainly due to, इसमें होगा radiation. 5 the freezer compartment in a refrigerator is usually put near its top. This provides good cooling throughout the refrigerator through, answer C the setting up of convection currents in the air inside the refrigerator. D type answer the following questions in brief. Question 1 in which direction does the transfer of heat normally takes place? Answer from hotter part of body to colder part of our body. Question 2 what is the cause of heat generation in the following situations? A we apply brakes on our fast moving car, answer friction. B people often jump up and down to feel warmer in cold weather, answer fast acidation of food. Question 3 state two types of physical change that may take place when a substance is heated, answer two types of physical change that may take place when a substance is heated are A change in temperature, B change in state. Question 4 in what ways does a clinical thermometer differ from an ordinary thermometer? Answer clinical thermometer kink is present, laboratory thermometer kink is absent. Clinical thermometer range is 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. Laboratory thermometer range -10 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. Clinical thermometer size is small, laboratory thermometer size is big. Clinical thermometer only for us, laboratory thermometer for hot object. Question 5 name the mode or different modes of heat transfer in the following situations. A paper cup full of hot soup lying on a table, answer convection. B cooking vegetables in a pan, answer convection. C melting of a chocolate bar in the school bag on a hot day, answer radiation. D cooking food in a microwave oven, answer radiation. Question 6 what is meant by sea breeze, when does it occur? Answer slowly moving cool air from Sea towards land is called sea breeze. It occurs during daytime. E-type, answer the following questions. Question 1. In the arrangement shown in the figure, pins A, B, C and D are fixed to a circular metal loop with the help of wax. The circular metal loop is heated at the point A with the help of a candle flame. In which order would the pins fall if AB is smaller than AD? इसमें कैंडल के सबसे नज़दीक A है, उसके बाद B है, उसके बाद D है, उसके बाद C है. इसलिए सबसे पहले पिन A गिरेगा, उसके बाद पिन B, उसके बाद पिन D, उसके बाद पिन C. आंसर होगा द पिन्स वुड फॉल इन द ऑर्डर ऑफ A, B, D and C. Justification: A is near to the flame and wax at A melts first and A falls first. According to distance from the flame, heat flows and reaches to B, D and finally C. Question 2. Give reasons for the following. A. Iron rims are heated red hot before fixing them on cart wheels. Answer: hot iron rims expand to increase its size larger than the wheel size, and it fixed tightly on the wooden wheel of the cart on cooling. B. A clinical thermometer has a slight bend or kink in its capillary tube. Answer: the kink in capillary tube. The kink in clinical thermometer prevents the fall of mercury's head from tube length for actual reading of the temperature of the body on its scale. C. A new quilt is warmer than an old one. Answer: a new quilt is warmer than an old one because its fresh cotton is full of air, a bad conductor that prevents the heat loss in winter season. D. A brass tumbler feels much cooler than a wooden tray on a chilly day. Answer: brass tumbler is a good conductor of heat and it absorbs heat quicker than wooden tray in chilly day. E. The bottoms of cooking utensils are often kept black. Answer: black color is a good absorber of heat and hence it transfers extra heat for cooking. 3. Akshit visited Rishikesh for river rafting during summer holidays. At a campsite there were two tents, one made with a black fabric and the other with a white fabric. Which one should Akshit prefer? Give reason for the choice. Should Akshit prefer the same tent during winters? Answer: Akshit should prefer the tent with white fabric in summer because white color reflects heat rays and prevents tent from heating much. But he should prefer tent with black fabric in winter season because it absorbs heat and keep warmer. Question 4. Explain briefly how winds are caused. Answer: when the temperatures of two nearest places are different, one is hotter than other, the air above hotter place leaves it first and leave vacant space. So the pressure difference between two places is created and hence air moves from higher pressure area to lower pressure area. Thus moving air caused wind is formed. यहाँ पर ये हॉटर नहीं, यहाँ पर ये हेटर नहीं, ये हॉटर होगा. Question 5. Supriya, while doing an experiment in the science laboratory, kept a laboratory thermometer P 10 cm away on one side of the flame of a candle. Her friend Ria kept a similar thermometer Q 10 cm above the flame of the candle as shown in the figure. In which of the thermometers P or Q the rise in temperature will be faster? Give reason for your answer. Answer: thermometer Q because heat rises up and the thermometer Q gets heated first. जो हीट होता है सबसे पहले ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा, इसलिए क्यों थर्मोमीटर पे ज़्यादा जल्दी टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा। Question number 6. In these two setups X and Y shown on the next page, the wires AB and PQ are made of the same material and have equal thickness. The length of the wire AB in the setup X is equal to the diameter PR of the semicircle formed by wire PQR. Pins P1 and P2 are attached to wires AB and PQR respectively with the help of wax. Which of two pins, P1 or P2, will fall off later? Give reason for your answer. Answer: pin P2 will fall off later because the length of rod is longer. P2 का लेंथ है ज़्यादा लॉन्गर है, इसलिए हीट को फ्लो होकर उधर पहुंचने में ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा, लेकिन इसमें डायरेक्ट दिया हुआ है इसलिए इसमें जाने में ज़्यादा लेट नहीं लगेगा। वीडियो देखने के लिए थैंक्स। वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ वीडियो को शेयर कर दीजिए।